Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at the Subi Sanctuary. Today we are going to be removing the original trunk pan from our rally car build here. And we're going to be fabbing up some framework there to hold the fuel cell in the back. Alright, so let's jump right into it.
We have drilled out all the spot welds, and now what we're gonna do is use this caveman-like tool to split open our seams with a hammer and see how it goes.
Alright, now with the trunk all tidied up and painted, again with the bare metal, we got some epoxy sealer primer over it to seal it up. On top of that, we have some single stage GM white. We're gonna go ahead and let this dry, then we can drop our tank in here and kind of give you an overall visual. And that should just about wrap up the trunk area, at least for us here. Alright guys, well that wraps up this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was somewhat informative. And till the next one.